Today, I'm going to show you how to find your Shopify recovery code. This is an essential security feature that helps you regain access to your account if you ever lose access to your two-step authentication app, so it's important to know where to locate it and keep it safely stored. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you have your two-step authentication app ready, as you'll need it later in this process. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your store name and icon displayed. Click on this area to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. This is where you can access your personal settings and account information. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on your profile option. This will redirect you to your personal profile page where you can manage various aspects of your account settings. Take a moment to let the page load completely before moving to the next step. Once you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Security and click on it. This section contains all the security-related settings for your Shopify account, including password management and authentication methods. In the security settings, you'll see a section called Two-Step Authentication. This is where Shopify manages all your login verification methods to keep your store secure. Within this section, locate the area that says Recovery Methods. This is specifically designed to provide backup access options in case you lose your primary authentication device. Now click on Regenerate Code within the Recovery Methods section. This action will create a new recovery code for your account. Shopify will then prompt you to verify that it's really you making this request for security purposes. At this point, you'll need to input the code from your Authenticator app. Open your authentication app on your phone, find your Shopify account entry, and enter the current 6-digit code that's displayed. This confirms your identity before revealing sensitive recovery information. Once you've entered the correct authentication code, your recovery code will be displayed on the screen. This code is crucial for account recovery, so make sure to copy it and store it in a secure location like a password manager, or write it down and keep it in a safe place. Never share this code with anyone, as it can be used to access your account. And there you have it, you've successfully located your Shopify recovery code and can now store it safely for future use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.